Oh, here we are, back at you. John and Michelle, boots on the ground here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. We're in a valley surrounded by mountains, pretty nice. This is day two here at the Truck Nationals swap meet event. And we came with our motorhome, Michelle and I, our RV. And we have Brandy on board. She's the Centurion. She's the
Brandy
security of the camper while we're gone. And we have Mimi on board, our cat, which is hiding underneath the sofa. Mimi doesn't seem to like to be trapped in the camper for 2 days. Mimi likes to come and go as he pleases, but he'll have to sacrifice a little if he wants to have the good, comforting food that we offer him. Huh, Michelle?
Exactly.
Here's a nice color. Look at this color in this truck. C10.
Sweet, right?
Sweet, beautiful color. That's expensive.
There's another one. Oh, with companion on the on the seat. Oh, there's more. Oh no, no, it's not there.
Okay. So we're making our way to the main gate where we have to pay our $5 each entrance fee, which isn't bad. This world of today, usually it's $10 to $15, so pretty nice. And then we were able to park our camper right outside the place for free, so that was nice.
Oops. There's more cars over there. Let's go over here. There's another blue one over there, nice one. Chevrolet. Oh, this guy is from Tennessee. Oh, because it's close to Tennessee over here, right?
What I hate about exhaust, they point down on the ground. What they do, they make your own dust.
Oh, it goes on the ground, that's why. Oh, look at that puppy.
The puppy.
Over there, the puppy. Over here is the tire place.
I was here yesterday. Not
Some people are still sitting up.
Yeah, hey, look at this stuff. Look at these cool little things.
Oh, look like you, Johnny Bravo.
I don't know what they use these for. There's no soap in them. Yeah, I remember now, bubble bath. Got Mr. McCool and everyone.
Oh, these are, can't find them. There's rare.
Pretty neat, huh, babe?
Yeah.
Looking at some nostalgia here. What do we got here? Cruising the beach.
Oh, that's a pretty cool, nice shirt.
That's the events
Oh,
coming.
that's
next.
National Parts Day po. October.
That was from last year.
October 8, 7, 8, and 9, 2020.
They're having
oh,
that
that's
next week.
21.
Yeah, they're having that next week too at the beach. Same show.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a last year's T-shirt. T-shirts, $20.
2 for 30.
I think that's more money than what they charged for them when you had the show.
Oh, remember the one in Leonore?
That's more money than what you charged for them when they had the show.
I guess.
Am I wrong? I don't know.
Yesterday, we don't go over here.
I went over there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It was closed till some of the stuff I was here. Yeah. Do a quick scan, babe, for a Cougar. For our buddy there. 67 Cougar. You never know. I don't think so. These are all modern ones. To find that Cougar, you're gonna have to find it used in a place like this. A little Matchbox junkyard, they call it.
There we go.
Better control.
You know, we'll go get you a horn right here.
Yeah.
Where's that stuff we bought yesterday? We bring in the house?
Yeah.
Well, I got that because
Any 67 Mustang?
she was trying.
Cougars? Cougar 67. I might have asked you yesterday, huh?
I think so.
Yeah, I think I asked. Hey, babe.
Over here, we did not go over here. This yesterday.
I went over it yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
In the evening, yeah. I went over here.
Oh, look at this. Somebody must
Front end of a
need
truck.
that.
Yeah. I looked through all the cars here already yesterday. There was no Cougar. 67.
Hi.
Morning. Hey, look, this matches our pillows.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody.
Road 66.
I guess it's a little bag thing.
Yeah, it's a
We get the two pillows that match it.
Oh, heavy?
Yeah, same exact material. Yeah, in our camper. We found them at some place like this. Yeah, they go on the end of the sofas. Same exact color. That'd be nice to put it together, you know?
Yeah, it would. I didn't say that thing.
Shoot. That would sell better if it was all together, no?
Yeah. Oh, well,
Maybe I should,
there's
maybe I
more
should-
over here than yesterday.
maybe I should bring him by the pillows later and see if he wants to buy it. Hey, babe. I'll talk to you later.
We did not go over there yesterday.
Why, this was closed yesterday? I guess there's more people showing up.
Yeah.
I told Ken, I said, he said, yeah, bring your truck. Had him over. He said, you're bad son.
We got a little chihuahua the same size in that
Hey,
camper.
how y'all?
How y'all doing?
Hi.
Hey, babe, I got one of these. I got the small version. Let me
What's
see the name
that?
of it. This one's by Snap-on. Mine is another name. It's an expensive name. Back in the aviation one, it stops about here. It's inch pounds instead of foot pounds.
Oh, yeah.
And inside the case and everything, yeah. I never use it. I don't know why I bought it. Want to make some moonshine right here? What do you think? That's what you need right here. Hey, look at this old thing here. This is cool. The guy has them right outside, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's the one from outside.
Just like it. Back in the day, we never thought much about these things, huh, Michelle? It was just a toy, you know?
Look at the Harley Davidson before.
A little chopper.
Yeah.
You like that's your size right there for you. It's Michelle's size chopper.
Well, if you buy it, I'll use it.
You gonna drive it around?
I'll drive it around.
There's owner's manual Chevrolet 1939 passenger car. Can you believe that?
Look
Babe.
what it said.
It's poison.
Moonshine is poison.
75 years. Look at this rack of batteries. This is pretty cool. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at this Batman.
She's
car.
part Chihuahua and Poodle.
Really?
Yeah, she is. That's my Poodle.
Gucci. She.
It's a she.
She already likes me.
That's
I work my magic.
Her name's
Imagine me in
Karen.
high school.
Yeah.
Yesterday, this was not here. Over here.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe not.
T-shirt clearance 6 or 2 for 10.
You need a bag? You don't need a bag?
Here you go, Camaro.
Somebody likes that. I thought was here yesterday. We were here yesterday.
Yeah. We were here yesterday.
Nice display, though. They have a lot of stuff. It's nice, you know.
They have a t-shirt over there, 2 for 5 or 6 for 1.
I'm not sure what he's got in there. There's a bunch more inside the trailer too.
No kidding, huh? My buddy has a 67 Cougar. He wanted me to look. I've been looking, but it's kind of a challenge. A Cougar's kind of an older one, you know. There are a lot of these newer ones today. That's the newer stuff.
Yeah, like I said, there's more stuff in there you want to go inside.
Let's see here. Texas Hole.
Look, this one's 2 for 10 over here.
2 for what?
2 for 10.
No, it says 6 each or 2 for. Oh, I see. This is stuff we should look at on the way out. We should stick on our mission.
Okay.
And unless you want
Mission.
to get it. We should get this on the way out. It's right in the corner. You look. You know what I mean? Let's see if we can find the goodies that we really want. Then we
The
can get
goodies.
that other. You know what I mean?
Oh, this is like.
She'll walk if she's carrying it in her mouth. Here's another one.
I sold about 6 yesterday. And 65 bags.
Nice covers here. I like those. They will look nice on the vet.
You do not, young man.
How you doing? Oh yeah. Cameras on there?
Found something?
No, let's look at
$3 each. 2 for 5.
It'd be nice to find something we could utilize. The price is pretty reasonable. Just to have it. Look, I just bought these the other day, but I bought the rubber ones, right? I just bought these for the Chevy. The other day, but I wanted the rubber ones. Here's some cork ones.
All them dollars.
Dolly. I already bought some. Cost me $20 for the rubber ones. Cost me $20 for the rubber ones last week. When you got the cork ones for $1, I would have definitely shoved that in instead of paying $20. Look, right there in the front, baby.
$1 each.
I just paid $20 for the rubber ones. Those there,
That's
those,
what I say. You're getting them for $1. You're getting them for nothing.
that's right. That one right there, if it's for Chevy, like I think it looks like it is. Those are $13 they want now.
Oh, yeah?
Imagine that.
I got $3 I'd pay for a party.
Thing is, I only have one car, and I already bought it.
One or two vehicles you pay.
He's a good wheeler dealer, ain't he?
Yeah.
Take care of yourself. Really, though. You could, you know. I
For
would have
only
bought that
$1?
right there. I already got them. They're on the car. I just bought them. $20.
They're coming out with a
$1.
K10.
I would have saved $19.
I know.
Plus tax.
This is really the place to buy stuff if you want to buy stuff, because there's a lot of good deal over here.
There's a lot more guys here today than yesterday.
Yeah,
What a difference. I walked by here yesterday, there was nothing.
yeah, there's nothing over here yesterday.
Changed. Look at this here, our president. They used to slide him in this little headset thing with you look through it. You see the president. Look at that, huh? Theodore Roosevelt. He was crippled, you know.
Oh, yeah?
His legs, yeah. That little helmet. Great for you. Look,
Oh, look, how much is it?
little baby helmet.
Put it on my head if it would fit.
1970. Imagine that. That's when they made them good. Think it'll fit on you? I don't think so.
You never know.
They already
Maybe
got
it's
you a
cheap.
helmet, but this is for a little kid.
Hey, we can bring it to the Philippines. There's another one over there.
This will be here later because no one's gonna buy this. This is too small for any man. But let's see. Ready?
It fits. Ow!
That's what we do in football practice. Is your helmet on? Boom. Huh? She's
Take it
tough. She
off.
takes it. She takes it.
Okay, now you take it off.
Ready? She's the only person that this will fit. This is something we can draw back on later if you want. It did fit you though, didn't it?
Yeah.
What's this going for, man? This little helmet going?
I did $40 on it.
I see it.
Yeah, well, like the same with the
She was gonna bring it to the Philippines.
That's a nice. That's a nice.
She was gonna bring it to the Philippines. They have taxis that are little motorcycles, and you sit in the back. They don't provide you with a helmet. Yeah, they call them. What's the name of that service?
Habal-habal.
Hobble hobble. Yeah. They charge a little bit of money, and they drive you wherever you want to go into the city. And you, hey, I had one of these. Pentex K1000. I had this. This was the good old days back in the day, Michelle. Look, Michelle. SLRs. That's what we used back in the days, man. That was the simplest, nicest camera. All your camera shops and your camera lessons, photography lessons, they utilize that one.
Yeah.
That was the basic one. Yeah, this is a pretty good sneaker, babe.
What size is that?
Nike.
If it's size 5, it would fit on me.
US 5.
Let me try.
I'll hold this here.
Yeah. Good fit.
Sure? Or was it a little loose?
A little bit loose, but if I use the thick socks, because I'm just using this one.
That you have enough sneakers? I don't keep it. Just ask how much it is.
How much is for this one?
$20.
$20.
I'd get stuff that fits nice. You gotta put paper in the front. Nobody does that. You gotta buy like.
It's kind of loose.
It's kind of loose. That's what I thought. Hey, look at this little car for sale. Here you go. You see if you can fit in that, Michelle.
Maybe I would fit on that too.
That'd be cool if you could, huh? Somebody must have made this. Handmade, probably. Look at this thing. Come here, get a view of it. This is cool to show this. It's something you put outside of a shop.
Please do not touch.
Oh, shit.
You just touch it.
Don't touch the shit. Well, it's got clutch pedal, brake pedal, gear shifter, and a wheel. And a little velour seat. Mohair. Original mohair. About 500-600. You can have a Alexander, we do mine for like 500.
Yeah.
It's kind of better to have the
This
original.
is the last.
We're gonna do it down here, no?
No, not yet.
Full trip.
Yeah. So the best day to come is really today's Friday.
You got that lug
Yeah,
nut in
today's
your wall?
Friday.
in your pocket?
Yeah,
You see the guy with the lug. What's today? Today is
Friday.
Friday morning.
Right person.
Something with cat.
It's cute.
See the lights?
Sugar, syrup,
Maple,
water.
maybe? Or no, it's probably corn syrup or something.
Look, they didn't put hardly any ingredients that would kill you. But they have all the refined, you know, that is
Calories or anything?
funny, huh?
Yeah.
Now, we put all that but you don't want to buy anyway, right? But it's poison, right?
This is the guy from yesterday.
better sugar, but no sugar's really good. But it was really nice.
Well, real sugar like
Right, I know what you mean. There are good, better sugars than others, but I just try to stay away from all of them. So you doing all right? Yeah, you had a good little sleep. Our cat was bugging us all night, scratching, making noise, jumping on stuff, waking us up. Oh, that cat! I'm not gonna freak him no more. Is that what it is? Ha ha ha!